Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? Hope you're all okay wherever you are watching this morning. I'm just sat in the living room looking out the window at the wind. Apparently we're having a storm. I don't know, they always give them weird names, don't they? Storm something or other is happening today. And it's blowing a gale out there. But guys, I'm just gonna do a bit of an old school chat with me, cozy morning together vlog. I got no kiddos, I've dropped them both off. They're both in nursery and school today. I don't have Cooper until after he has his lunch at about 12:30. And it's just me. And you know, normally on these mornings, you'll know if you have followed me a while, normally I am running around like a headless chicken, doing this, that and everything, making a to-do list, getting everything done. I don't really stop until I've picked him up. And this morning I just thought to myself, I really don't want to do that today. I really just want to do very, very minimal this morning. So as you saw, I came home, I had a shower, a long, hot, uninterrupted shower. I've tidied up the toys and the breakfast mess because I have to do that. But I'm now sat down at 9:45 a.m. catching up on Married at First Sight. What is going on? It's feeling super cozy in here. Obviously, I said it's really windy and cold outside. I've lit some candles. I've got my autumn decor all out. How adorable are those cushions? Did you notice those? So cute, aren't they? Speaking of which, those cushions and a ton more autumn home and decor bits I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. I have a Temu haul that I'm going to be sharing with you. I know you guys love Temu as much as I do, and I also have a code, a discount code to share and a link to share, so that's all coming up. I also have some big sort of house updates to share with you that I haven't shared yet, some big projects we've got going on. Clint is actually at home today and is doing something to the house, which I will show you later on in the video. It's very exciting and a little bit nerve-wracking, but mostly exciting. So a couple of big things are coming up and I really want to share that, so I'm going to do that. But for now, I'm going to sit with my diary and my Mac, and I'm going to do a little bit of emails and admin while I catch up with Married at First Sight, obviously. Is anyone else watching this, by the way? The new one, the UK one. It's top notch. So I thought I would just come upstairs and show you a couple of things that are going on in our house at the moment, give you a bit of a life update. So first things first is our ensuite. So I'm in our bedroom. At the moment we have an ensuite in here that came with the house, with a bath and a shower. But honestly guys, I never show you this room. This room is always a state. It's been falling apart since the day we moved in. The toilet seat like came off not long after we moved in, and it was just pretty shoddy quality. We've always wanted to replace it. We don't even need a bath in there because there's a bath in the boys' bathroom. We just wanted a big sort of walk-in shower, lovely ensuite, and it is happening. So Clinton has been a busy boy and he has started to rip out our ensuite, and this is how it's looking at the moment. Obviously the bath still needs to come out and this bottom of the shower needs to come out, the sink, the toilet, but he's done a little bit of it. I think he said he's going to finish it this afternoon. We have a skip out on the drive ready to fill up with all of this. And then at the end of the month, so at the end of October, we are getting a brand new ensuite. So it is going to be like a wet room in here. It's going to be completely tiled floor to ceiling. I'm going to be working with Tile Mountain, using their beautiful marble tiles, floor to ceiling. And then I'm also going to be working with Plum World to install the actual ensuite. We're going to have like a Cretel screen here with a lovely big shower inside there, so you can literally just walk into the shower. Obviously there won't be a bath. The toilet's pretty much going to stay where it is, but the sink is going to move over here, so it's really going to open up the room, and it should look very, very different this time in about 8 weeks. So at the moment we have moved all of our ensuite bits and bobs into the boys' bathroom. That's why you saw me having a shower in the kids' bathroom this morning. We have gate crashed this bathroom for the next couple of months until we have our lovely new one. And the next thing I wanted to share is Cooper's room. So Leo has had a little bit of a big boy upgrade in his room, which I have shared on Instagram. I've sort of changed his curtains. I've put up some lovely Minecraft prints on the wall and just sort of minimalized everything in here, which is just how he likes it, bless him. And Cooper is going to get a big boy room next month as well. So next month's going to be super busy in the house. We're going to be transforming this from a nursery into an actual boy's bedroom. So Cot's going to go, he's going to get a big bed. We're going to change the curtains probably. We're going to change the furniture up a little bit, not too much. Sort of change around the toys and things, and it's going to look really different in here. So I feel emotional about him going in a big bed. That's a big step, isn't it? But he is so ready for it. He is going to love it. So that's a couple of big things coming up with me over the next month or two to look out for. Just grab myself a Fibre One. Have you tried the chocolate fudge brownie? Because they are something else. And I'm going to continue my very lazy morning. This is not like me at all. I nearly just got up and did some laundry and bits like that, and I was like, no, come on Ellie, you're doing so well. Sit back down, which is exactly what I'm going to do. But I do want to show you my Temu haul. I have done an autumn, look at this, Temu haul, which I'm going to share with you now, all the bits and bobs that I got, and I will share with you my discount code, my link and everything. So that is coming up right now. So first of all, I got this gorgeous eucalyptus wreath, and then I also got these acorn ornaments to turn the wreath into a autumn themed wreath for my front door. So I literally just hung these cute little acorns onto the wreath, spread them all around evenly, and then I hung it on my front door, and it looked so cute.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown.
I also got these cute little pumpkin cushions that Cooper loves. They're super soft and squidgy, so I've just popped them on the sofa here. I am obsessed with this little ceramic pumpkin bowl. I have a big one, as you can see behind me, so I thought this would be so perfect to go next to it. Is a little mini pumpkin, and it looks so good on my kitchen shelf. I absolutely love this one.
Autumn comes to
I thought this one would be great for pumpkin parties, Halloween parties I was going to say, or maybe a pumpkin party, because if you turn the lid upside down like so, it turns into a two-tiered sort of serving dish, so you could fill it with whatever you like. I'm just going to demonstrate with these little velvet pumpkins here, but you could fill it with whatever you like for your party table. I thought it was such a cute, clever little idea.
I'm not ready, not just yet.
And here are the little velvet pumpkin ornaments that you just saw me using. Aren't they adorable? They are such good quality. I couldn't believe it for the price, and I've just sort of dotted them around the house.
I'm not ready for.
Next up, I got this bargain faux hydrangea. I love the dark green colours in it. I thought it was perfect for autumn decor with those sort of dark green tones.
Autumn comes too soon.
Next up, I got this fun little doormat. Again, I thought it'd be really cute for our Halloween party to just pop by the front door. Next up, I got these little, well, they're called cookie cutters, on Temu, but I was thinking you could use them for anything. I've literally just made a Dairy Lee sandwich for Cooper, and I'm going to use them to make his Dairy Lee sandwich into all sorts of cute little Halloween shapes. They worked so well, and he was so excited when I showed him. And lastly, I got this gorgeous bamboo ghost-shaped plate to put his little lunches on, because I knew he would just love that so much. The perfect little addition for dinner times and lunch times during the autumn season. So, hair just went in my mouth. It is now about 1 p.m. and my boy is back home. Who's that? Baby. Baby? It's Coopy. Who's that? Baby. Baby? Anyway, he has just come home from nursery and he's had a really lovely morning. As always, he loves it there so much. We've actually decided to put him in for an extra morning because he just loves it. He's learning so much. His speech is just blossoming and he is blossoming, and yeah, we are very happy with where he goes to nursery. He also came home today with this, which I assume is supposed to be him, and he was saying eyes, mouth, nose. And I said, is it Cooper? And he said, it's a witch. It's a witch? What's that? Pumpkin witch? Oh, that's the pumpkin witch, isn't it? We call him Pumpkin Witch. Anyway, it's got pride of place on the fridge, but I've taken a couple of things off the fridge to make room for that. A lovely little fish made by Coopy and a lovely little picture that I kept from Leo because I just thought it was really cute. And I'm going to stick them in their art scrapbook. I show these quite often on my Instagram, but I don't know whether you guys have seen them. I have a scrapbook for each of the boys where I keep all of their art creations in one place so that it turns into a memory book that I'll keep forever. Leo's is obviously fit to burst because he is 6.5 and Cooper's is not as big, but I will show you both of them. So this is Leo's. This is, yeah, 6.5 years old, so it is pretty chock-a-block, but started very well. It's not actually 6.5 years old because he was 2 when I started it actually, but it is full of all the little bits and pieces that he has ever made and that I've ever wanted to keep. They're all in just one place. That's the latest one. So I'm going to stick his little picture in there. This is Cooper's. With Cooper's, I decided to get a ring-bound one because Leo's is ripping. So I didn't want to get one like that again. So I've got one with a ring binder. So hopefully it will last a little bit better. But here is Cooper's little art book. So special. And I will stick his little fishy in there. Yeah? I'm going to put Cooper to bed in like 5 minutes. I've just put my lunch in the microwave. Clint's got me a panku Korean street food noodle chicken thing. Delicious. For lunch, so I've just popped that in the microwave. I'm going to let him play for 5 more minutes and then I'm going to put him up to bed, and then when he goes to bed I'm going to go out in the garden and lock it up a little bit because the storm apparently is supposed to be really bad at like 5 o'clock. I think it's going to be about 40-50 mile an hour, the winds. There's a lot of loose stuff in the garden that needs to be sort of locked down. Plus I'll feel better because I'll feel like I've actually done something productive today at some point. And then I'll just leave it there for today because before you know it, Leo will be home from school and the after school madness will commence. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest vlog. Don't forget that all of the Temu links and discount code and everything that you need are down in the description box. And keep an eye out for our ensuite transformation and Cooper's bedroom transformation, both coming very soon. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you on my next one.